Hi, I'm Maria, an associate here at Kemp IT Law. In this video, I'll be continuing with the theme of what legal teams need to be looking for in their contracts with AI vendors. So thinking about data privacy, where the AI model is using personal data, which is more often the case than not, you'll want to have a robust data processing agreement in place with the supplier. And this should set out the parties' roles and responsibilities in relation to the personal data, as well as the scope of processing activities. Another key point to think about is termination, specifically what happens after the contract has come to an end. How do you get your data back? How long do you have to retrieve the data? And what about the supplier? Will they be willing to offer any support around this process? You might also want to require the supplier to completely erase all of your data on all of its systems, including any backup copies. Think about whether you need any evidence from the supplier that this has been done. And lastly, you'll want to get contractual commitments that data, particularly personal and confidential information, will not be used by the supplier to train their overarching AI models, as well as any third-party models. Now, this might not always be easy to get from the supplier, but it's definitely worth raising the point. When procuring an AI tool, the contract with the supplier is one of the most important risk management tools that legal teams have. And so it's important to keep all of these points in mind before you enter into negotiations.